the elbow fitting to the waterfall box. Connect corrugated tubing to waterfall elbow. Tighten with a hoop. Install the suction cup on pump. Attach elbow to pump outlet. Connect corrugated tubing to pump elbow. Tighten with a hoop. Place pump and filter bag. Pull the drawstring tight. Clip the light strip at the bottom of the water flow plate. Place the ceramic filter. Filter sponge. Then secure the lid.